In this video, we will be covering the basics of trading using the Noor MT4 platform. First, let's start with signing up to a demo account. Head to File, which can be found in the top right of the screen, and press on it. Then, choose Open an Account. Here, you will be given two servers to choose from. Choose the Noor demo server and proceed by pressing Next. Click on the New Demo Account option and press Next. In the Personal Details section, make sure to fill your right information, that is, your name, email, phone, then proceeding to picking your account type, desired deposit, leverage to trade with, according to your choosing. To finalize, tick the box that agrees to subscribe to our newsletter and press Next. Now that you've created a personal demo account for trading with Noor we will be covering some of the basics of trading. This section is the Market Watch. You can view information about the products provided by Noor such as bid, ask, spread, the high price, the low price, and the time the price was lastly updated. The ask price is the price you buy your base currency at. It's always higher than your bid price. The bid price is the price you sell your base currency at. To view all the products, right-click anywhere in the Market Watch section and press on Show All. By doing that, you will get access to view all the products. To get the specification of any product present on the Market Watch, right-click on that product, for example, gold, and click on Specification. Over here, you will get all the information about the product along with its trading time sessions. This section is used to provide a graphical representation of the desired product by dragging it from the Market Watch to the Charts section as such. You have the option of viewing the prices in the form of bar charts, candle charts, and line charts. The choice depends on your trading style. The chart representation also depends on the time set for every bar, candle, or line. The time can vary between a minute to 30 minutes, up to a full month. You can add lines, indicators, and comments on charts using the following options. In the terminal, you will notice that it has multiple tabs you can choose from. The main two you'll be focusing on for now are Trade and Account History. The Trade tab gives you a representation of your money and open trades, while the Account History shows you all the transactions done on your account, from closed trades, deposits, etc. For you to make a trade, press on the desired product you would like to trade with, for example, gold. Once you double-click on it in the Market Watch, you will get the option to either buy or sell gold. You can change the volume, which is the size of the contract, and place your take profit or stop loss for that specific trade. Stop loss and take profit are conditions to be placed on your order to close it when it reaches the specified price. If it's a buy, then the stop loss should be lower and take profit should be higher than the current ask price. While if it's a sell, then the stop loss should be higher and the take profit should be lower than the current bid price. You can also perform a quick trade with the current price of the product present on your charts by using the buy or sell buttons present here. The Trade tab shows all the information you would need in detail about the money in your trading account and information about your orders. First, let's take a look at the gold order we bought earlier. There is the ticket number, the time at which the order was made, the type of the order, size of the order, as in lots, the symbol, gold, the price at which the order was placed, any stop loss or take profits placed on that order, the current pricing, any commission or swap, and the profit or loss acquired so far. To add a take profit or a stop loss to your already existing order, right-click on it and press on Modify or Delete Order. Here, you will get the choice of placing the desired stop loss or take profit of your choosing. When it comes to this section of the Trade tab, it shows you the status of your money in detail. Balance is the amount of money you have without including the profits or losses of your current trades. The equity is the balance plus or minus your profits or losses, which can be viewed from here. The margin is the money booked due to the current trades you've taken. The free margin is the money you can perform trades with. And the margin level is the percentage value based on the amount of equity versus used margin. The higher the margin level, the more free margin you have available to trade. The lower the margin level, the less free margin available to trade, which could result in a margin call or a stop out, which is automatically closing your current positions with their losses and profits. To close an order, double-click on that order and then press on the yellow button that says Close. Keep in mind, a buy order will close on the bid price, and a sell order will close on the ask price. A pending order is an order to be placed automatically once a certain condition is met. To do that, double-click on the desired product you'd like to place the pending order on. Then, in the Type drop-down menu, choose Pending Order. A buy limit is to perform a buy order when the price is below the current price, while buy stop is to perform the buy order when the price is higher than the current price. For the sell limit, it's to perform a sell order when the price is higher than the current price, while the sell stop when the price is lower than the current one. Once your pending order is placed, it will be filled automatically when the market reaches the specified price. However, in some circumstances, there could be a chance of a slippage. To delete a pending order, simply go to the Trade tab in the terminal and right-click on it, then choose the Modify or Delete Order. Then, pressing on the Delete button.